Hello and welcome. In this video we'll answer the question, is roller barrier a fire risk? But first let's briefly explain what roller barrier is. Developed and manufactured by Insight Security, roller barrier is basically a rotating anti-climb device which can easily be retrofitted to walls, gates, fences and buildings to beef up existing security and stop intruders climbing over or onto them. The main component of the system is the special polycarbonate roller cup. The cups are threaded onto a central shaft to form an unstable and instantly effective deterrent for would-be climbers. And it's these plastic cups that cause some people to ask if the system is a fire risk. So, to answer the question, let's first have a brief look at the composition of the cups. The basic material used in producing the cups is a high-quality polycarbonate, which when moulded using a high heat, high pressure process forms a robust and virtually unbreakable plastic cup. During the moulding process, several special additives are mixed with the polycarbonate material to enhance performance and ensure a long and effective operational life of the finished cups. Beefing up UV protection to tropical standards to combat degradation caused by the sun's UV rays is the function of one of these additives, while another is designed to enhance the self-extinguishing properties of the cups to form a defense against a fire threat. Let's see how roller cups fare when a naked flame is applied to them. Here we're testing our new parallel-sided roller cup. The flame from this blowtorch is burning at 1300 degrees centigrade. As you can see, the instant the external flame is removed, the cup self-extinguishes. Let's try that again. Here's the same test applied to the slightly conical shaped, older style Mark II cup. Once again, the cup self-extinguishes the instant the flame is removed. And here's a closer look at the damage sustained. Like all plastic materials, when exposed to extreme heat in the form of a naked flame, polycarbonate will burn, but roller barrier cups will not self-ignite, and their self-extinguishing properties means that they are not in themselves a fire risk. Meeting the exacting and constantly evolving expectations of local authorities and other interested parties involved years of extensive trials and refinements. Among other criteria, roller barrier has been designed to eliminate the risk of impalement injury, not to be a fire risk, be maintenance free, and deliver a long operational life. The optimum moulding compound mix was finalised in the late 90s, and since 1999 has been used for the manufacture of all roller cups with excellent and proven results for performance and long operational life. The inherent and proven safety of roller barrier means that unlike more aggressive anti-climb products, there are no legal restrictions as to where it can be used. But to ensure best results and performance from your roller barrier installation, we're happy to advise customers on where and how to install it. For more information, please visit our website or call our friendly experts on 01273 475500. If you found this video helpful and watched it on YouTube, please click on the like button. And don't forget to subscribe to the Insight video channel for more helpful security and safety videos.